In this Inflowave tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use our messaging system. Super simple, super straightforward. You can connect all your clients' accounts. You have full Unibox for your VA chatting team to manage all of them. On the left side, you can see if the account is active or has any issues like disconnection, if the AI chatbot is connected, and on the right side, you can see the amount of messages, conversations, and the amount of that needs responding. Here you can filter by unread messages. Here you can look for conversations by lead name. If you flip the switch, it's going to look only for the messages irrelevant of who sent it. Next up, you've got channels. So you've got all Instagram, SMS, email, Facebook is coming in very soon. On the actual chatting panel, you've got uploading files. You can send voice messages. You can also generate voice messages, but this will require you to upload samples per client, in which case you can generate AI voice messages with stuff like car sounds in the background, restaurant, gym, whatever to make the lead feel more personal connection. You also have saved responses. You can book appointment directly if you have connected Calendly, Zoom, Google Meets, and so on. The other thing you can do is go in here, pin messages. You can also translate from a lot of languages. This is what it looks like in here. Let me move this. And on the right side, you're going to see all the tags. You can add tags from here. You can see which workflows are people active in, which workflows have they gone through, custom variables on this side, LTV, potential LTV is effectively the amount of pipeline opportunities that someone is in for multiple services, but this one, LTV, is when they actually paid. You can also assign closers and setters depending on who is bringing the people in and who's closing them. Based on that, you will have really good analytics, which is a separate tutorial. Based on that, you're going to have a lot of analytics in the dashboard, but I'm going to leave that for another tutorial. Lead journey is going to show you where the person came through, whether we added any notes or our system added any notes, tagging, payments, appointments, everything in one place. First touch point is how they opted in. Obviously, we will not see anything in here because it's a demo account. In the AI, here you can enable the generate summary. You can also make that work by default in the workflows, which I'll show you in a workflow tutorial. Here you can enable or disable the chat. And in here, this is our marketplace, which is going to be a full different tutorial. But that's what it looks like. And here is how our SMS and emails look like in action. This is super simple, and I'm going to go shoot another tutorial.